Good morning, kindergarten. Let's get ready to make our clay ladybugs. Everyone's going to start with a circular ball of clay. We're going to roll it in our hands to make a nice oval shape. We want it to be a long piece of clay. Then using the bottom of our hands, we're going to push down. That's going to make our ladybug's body. I love how you're watching. That's how I know you're listening. Next, we're going to use our tool and we're going to make the letter Y in our clay. A nice big Y. So you're going to make the triangle part and then the line down, and that's going to make the letter Y. Don't worry if you mess up. You can just take some water and smooth it over and try it again. As long as you don't push too hard, you'll be fine. Now in the book, we learned that ladybugs have spots for their age. So I'm poking some spots because I want my ladybug to have some texture to it. Texture is how something feels. I hope we're all crisscross applesauce and ready to go with that bubble. I know you're excited. I am too. Next, I'm going to use my tool to make a little marker for where I want my googly eyes to go. That's how I know where it'll be. And I can draw a nice big mouth on my ladybug. Make sure that all of your lines are nice and straight. You've poked your holes and everything is nice and smooth and ready to go. And voila! Masterpiece!